Hey guys, welcome back to Riggs Garage. We're working on the 93 Turbo Civic. So this is a 1993 DX Civic with a D15 B7 block. So in previous videos, you see me build a short block, you see me pull out my old engine, and now I'm gonna mix the old engine and the new engine with the built short block. So all that's gonna go together into one engine, and you will see this get ready to be put back in the car. So the car is up and running now, so I am showing you kind of a backlog of 7 months video. So stick with me here and I will keep putting these videos out. I appreciate everybody watching, and thank you for sticking with me here as I put the car together. So you can see the car is behind me there, and I just drove it, so that is coming. I want to show you all that stuff, but I want to show you how I built it first. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you like this, and let's get going. All right, here's the original D15 B7. I'm gonna pull the head off of this engine, and then I'm gonna put it onto the short block that I built in previous videos. If you haven't checked those videos out, go check that link above here. Here we go. Went ahead and painted the parts. All these little things make a difference. Here's the alternator bracket, and here's the front engine mount bracket. Water neck, and then the harmonic balancer. Just a fresh coat of implement enamel, semi-flat black, or semi-gloss, I guess. And then the head, I went ahead and I had a friend lap the valves. He's really good with valves, and then I went ahead and painted the front of the head to match the engine block. So just a quick cleanup, razored all the gaskets off, and now it'll look really fresh. the final check. We'll do another rotation or two here. Just make sure all our marks line up. Perfect. All right, she's looking good. As good as bare, you know, kind of tarnished aluminum can look here. Definitely oxidized a little bit. It's really tempting to paint this, but I don't have time. I want this car on the road, so maybe next time.
This is a lot of work.
Yep. All right, Mr. Nolan here is pumping up the stand, or the hoist. It's late. And we're gonna get the engine down off of the stand. We'll set it on the cardboard over here, and then we'll put the clean transmission on there. So far, really happy with the progress today. Pretty much took it from a short block to ready to drop into the car. It's nice to be able to spend like 8 full hours on something, so excited how this is coming together. I'm gonna go to bed now, and I'll resume in the morning.